Hello guys, long time no see. Let's say that we want to set this project's unit to meters, centimeters or millimeters. It's up to you. So how do we do this? We go to this water drop like symbol, select it, turn this unit system to metric if it's not set. Maybe it's imperial in the beginning. Set it to metric. Then rest is up to you. You can select which option you want to use. I mean, many interior designers work on millimeters and also 3D printing as well. We architects generally work in centimeters or meters. I also work in meters or centimeters in the video game art projects as well in 3D. So that's up to you. But whenever you select it, for example, it will change the grid size. I will add a cube from default. And let's say that it's 2 meters. So I want to see this measurements of the cube on it. So I switch to modeling mode by tab and mesh edit mode on the top right. I selected it and you can see the edge length here. I select it. And you can see the 2 meters each side. So whenever I select it to change it to centimeters, it will do it rightly. But I also have to change the grid size as well. So I press this button on the two circles interacting with each other. Scale to 0, 1. You can see the grid has become denser now, and you can work more sensitively if you are using a grid, of course. I think that's it. Yeah, you can just, when you export it, you will have no problem. It will set to 1. You should work on this, and it will be unit scale is also 1. If you don't change it, then don't worry about it. It will come out correctly. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and hopefully it's useful for you.